A people without children would face a hopeless future. A country without trees is almost as helpless. A quote from Theodore Roosevelt. Hi, I'm Shirina, and I'll introduce you to Philippine forests and wildlife resources. Philippines belong among the countries that are gifted with rich biological diversity, especially forests and wildlife resources. With 7,107 islands, the country has a tropical climate that has a various forms of life, species, crops, and ecological complex that can only be seen on the specific islands. Forest is a complex ecosystem consisting mainly of trees that buffer the earth and support a myriad of life forms. Also, it's an important component in environment that affects the kind of animals and plants exist in the forest. Trees can reduce air pollution, can modify local climate, conserve water and reduce soil erosion, and excellent sound absorbers. Philippines has 6 types of forests, which is a mangrove forest, beech forest, bulay forest, Titicaca forest, pine forest, and mossy forest. Approximately one-fourth of the Philippines is forested and has 142 watersheds. Many species call our forest home. We've wiped out around 80% of forests, and now we've been working hard at rehabilitating it. Philippine wildlife resources includes fish, wildlife, and their aquatic and terrestrial habitat. Philippines includes a significant numbers of endemic plant and animal species. The country is surrounded by bodies of water, that means it has the highest level of marine biodiversity hotspot. Wildlife plays a vital role in balancing the environment. Includes that they can provide a stability to different processes of nature. Also, wildlife and nature or forests have been largely associated with humans for emotional and social reasons. Philippines is a source of wildlife, and up with transit for trafficking, which is now rising. As a Filipino citizen, we have a duty to protect and improve the natural environment so that this preservation is not only our moral duty as human beings, but also our duty towards our nation.